Hello everyone! Again, hello everyone! Today ay gagawa tayo ng Halloween dummy. Ayan, Halloween dummy. Gagawa tayo ng mannequin. Out of mannequin. Now, I have this. I use this for taking pictures of my eBay and Poshmark business. So, I'm gonna borrow first today, and we're going to make a Halloween dummy. So I bought this in the thrift store also, and then I just cut because it's long. The neckline is long, so I just cut it. And then my husband made me a pole like this. This one here. This is supposed to be the shoulder, and we will put some stuff here like pillow, but I changed my mind, so I'm gonna use my display mannequin. So stay with me guys, and we're going to do a DIY Halloween mannequin. So yeah, I showed you already all the mannequin that I'm going to make. So we're going to dress up our mannequin. So I bought this also in the thrift store for $1. This is not new. So this is not new. I just bought it for $1 in the thrift store. Okay. So we'll dress up our mannequin. And we'll see how it looks like. So this is a hoodie Halloween costume. There, looks good. Looks pretty. A pretty witch, or I don't know, or ghost or whatever. So I bought this hand also. It's glow in the dark. I bought this in the dollar store. So this is $1 also from the dollar store. And then we'll figure out on how to put it in our mannequin. So this is how our costume looks like. There. So we'll figure out on how to put our hand there. So there you go. I just put masking tape on the hand here. I just put the masking tape and just tape it on the sleeve of our dress. On the sleeve of our dummy dress. Okay. So that's how it looks like. Yan. Okay. But I bought also a wig. Okay. A white hair wig. So I bought this also for like $1 or 50 cents from the thrift store also. So we'll see. I'm gonna put the hair on our mannequin. So that's how the hair looks like. She looks like white-haired ghost. So just let the hair be like that, messy hair. And we can also put the hood here. So we will put this tape also on the hair. There. I cannot straighten it, but so we'll just let it we'll just let that head lean like that. That's all right. So there you go. Our mannequin had a hair. And she has bangs. And she looks like a sad ghost with black what is it? It's a ghost, or is it a witch? So I don't know, whatever it is. So we'll have dummy for our Halloween celebration. Okay, so I don't know if I have to draw something on her eyes. I don't know, because it's plain white. So maybe I'll put the color. Maybe I'll put a color or a kind of lipstick on her lips and on her eyes. So we'll see what we can do. So there, we'll put a lipstick on our ghost. This is my lip liner. So there, we'll follow the lips that they modeled here. Oh, she's sad. She's sad. I don't know. I don't know how to draw. So again, and then we'll put lipstick on her lips. I don't have black lipstick, so we're gonna use this dark, just this dark lipstick. This is my lipstick, guys. There you go. She's now a beautiful ghost. What do you think, guys? What do you think of our beautiful ghost? There you go. Okay, now she's beautiful. And I think I have to draw something on the eyes also. So I'm just gonna use my I'm just gonna use my eye shades. Just like, anyway, there you go. Just like that, just very little. So, you know, we don't want our ghost to look like really beautiful. She's a ghost. But anyway, oh, I darkened it. Just like that, maybe. That's enough. Okay. So, look how pretty our ghost is. Okay. So I think our ghost is ready. So there is our beautiful ghost at night. There she is, standing right in front of our door. There you go. There is our ghost, and there she's she has a candle there which says boo. That's it. That's our mannequin. That's our beautiful ghost. Says boo. There she is. She's not scary at all. She's beautiful. But anyway, she is our ghost. Okay guys, so hope you liked my video, and hope to see you on my next video. See ya!